How to share a YouTube video on Instagram. So it's really easy to do. What you have to do is go to YouTube and let's say you want to share a video. So I personally like to take a screenshot of the video that I'm going to share. So we can just do this really quick and that way I have it. And you don't really need to click on the video. You can just click on the three dots on the far right hand side. But if you want to, you can click on the video and just upload it here, make sure it's here. And you want to go to the share button that's usually underneath the channel's name. And you just want to hit copy link. So once you have that copied link, you want to come out of YouTube, go into Instagram, and we're going to swipe over. And what we can do is either take a picture or use that screenshot that you just took. So I'm just going to do that. And we can, do something with this. It doesn't really matter what you want to do. And all you need to do is go to these stickers at the very top here. And you want to do link. And you want to click and hold. And you'll be able to paste that link. Hit done. And then there is the link. So anytime someone will see your story, they can click that link and it'll bring them to that page. And you have the screenshot to associate so that people know what they're doing. And it's real easy to do. That's how you would go about sharing a YouTube video on your Instagram story and with also a picture there to identify it with.